Hello and good evening, children. Welcome back to Sharmila English class. I guess you all might have spent your Dashera in a very happy mood, and that festive mood is now over. It is over. You will have to come out from this festive mood, and you'll be back to your school after 1 or 2 days. Now, even I am also out from my festive mood, and again I am back to my class. Welcome back, children, to Sharmila English class. Last class we did past tense. Now that we are going to do is future tense. But before I start with my class, I would like all to subscribe, share, and like my channel. The more you share, the more people will learn, the more children will learn. So subscribers, I would like you all to I would like to request you all to please share my channel so that everybody would get the opportunity to learn what I am teaching. They would not miss the classes that I am taking. And overall, it is the basic that we are learning, and you all will be learning more and more and more. We will be going into the depth of the grammar. This is the basic things that we are learning now. Now, past tense we have already done in the past. That is gone. We have already learned what is past tense, what is future tense. Now that we are going to do is we already did past tense, we already did present tense. Now that we are going to do is simple future tense. Now, what is future tense? Present, what is going on? Past, what is already gone? It is already gone. Future, what is coming? The thing that will come up is called future tense. That means it is coming. So that is called future tense. Any action or event that is going to happen or it's going to take place, that is called simple future tense. In simple future tense, we always use shall or will. Using shall or will is the part of simple future tense. Okay? Now, simple future tense. Future tense is used to express some future action or event that is going to happen or that is going to take place in the future. For example, I shall go to Lucknow tomorrow. That means I am saying that I'll be going to Lucknow tomorrow. He will come here on Sunday. So what we are using? We are either using will or we are using shall. Shall or will is the two common thing that we are using in future tense. Simple future tense. Now, what is future continuous? Continuous means what? It is going on. It is in the continuous process. That is called continuous. This is future continuous. What is future continuous? Future continuous is used to express an action that will be continuing at same point in future time. In future time, the action will be continuing at some point of time. Means it will be continuing in the future. It will be going on in the future. It is not going to stop. For example, we shall be sleeping then. We shall be sleeping then. That means in future also you will be sleeping. Continuing. Now, the girls will be singing then. The girls will be singing then. Here, the girls will be singing then in the future. It is a continuous process that will continue at some point of time in future time. In future time, it will continue, it will be in a continuous process. So this is called future continuous tense. Then we have future perfect. What is future perfect? Future perfect denotes that the action will be completed in the future. It will be completed in the future. Future perfect, here it shows that the action will be completed in the future. But what is future continuous? Future continuous shows that the action will be going on in the continuing in the future sometime, some point of time in the future. Okay, but future perfect is in future the action will be completed. For example, I shall have written my letter before he comes. Before he comes, I need to finish my letter. Okay, I shall have written the letter before he comes. Here, which shall we are using have. So we are telling that I shall have finished the letter before he comes. We shall have reached home before rain falls. Before rain falls, we shall have reached home. Means before it rains, we should have reached home. So this is what is called future perfect. Why it is called future perfect? Because the action it denotes that the action will be completed in the future. That means before it rains, we need to arrive home. Before he comes, I need to finish the letter. So here, along with shall, we are using have. Okay. Now, future perfect continuous. What is future perfect continuous? I shall have been. Till now we were not using been. So now what we are going to add is been. Along with I shall have, we are going to add been. So here I shall have been. I shall have been writing. I shall have been writing. Which means that the action of writing, whether it is finished or remains unfinished, will be in progress for some time. I shall have been writing. It means that whether the work is finished or remains unfinished, the work will be in progress for some time. So that is called future perfect continuous. It means that whether the work remains finished, completed or incomplete, at some point of time in future, the work will be in progress. Okay, now, for example, we shall have been playing for 3 hours when you come here. We shall have been playing for 3 hours when you come here. Children, have till now, first we were using shall in case of simple future tense. When we came down to future continuous, we used shall have. Okay, shall. Then when we came down to future perfect, we used shall have. Then we came down to future perfect continuous, shall have been. So been was introduced along with shall have. Okay, along with shall have, we used been. So here we finished with our simple future tense, future continuous, future perfect continuous tense. But then, I just want to repeat it once again. Simple future tense is what the action or the event is going to take place in the future. Future continuous, the action that is used to express the action that will be in the continuing process. Okay, that is in the future continuous. Future perfect, where denotes that the action is already completed in the future times. Okay, but future perfect continuous, Whether your work remains finished or unfinished, at some point of time in the future, the work will be in the progress. So this is all about future tense. Before that, I would just like to request all my subscribers to please share the channel with others, so that others would also get an opportunity to learn grammar. And not to worry, children, this is the basic that we are learning. In near future, we are going to get into more depth to the grammar. So before that, please like, subscribe and share my channel. Thank you everyone for watching.